How to remove filters from TikTok video. First thing you have to do is open up your TikTok application, and once you are inside the app, I can tap on the profile icon to show you that I'm logged in. So if you want to use any filters or remove the filters from the video, what usually happens is if you just go ahead and tap on this music icon down below, and then so when you tap on this use sound option, what happens is the sound that was used with the filter is also added here. So here, as you can see, the effect is in use with the sound. So what you want to do is tap on view all effects, and then to remove the filter, all you need to do is just tap on this, and now the filter will be removed. So it's the same for everything. If you tap on the filter like this, as you can see, the filter will be used, but if you just tap on it again, the filter will be removed. And it's as easy as that. That's it for this video. I'll catch you on the next one.